In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Microsoft Teams. We're going to set up a simple workflow that watches for activity in Airtable and automatically sends a message into Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to keep your team updated without having to copy information manually from one tool to another. Once it's configured, the process runs in the background and helps everyone stay informed in real time. To begin, open your automation tool or integration platform. This is where you'll connect Airtable and Microsoft Teams and build the workflow between them. If you haven't used the platform in a while, take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace before starting, so everything is organized correctly from the beginning. Next, choose Airtable as the trigger app. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. So this tells the platform that Airtable will be the source it listens to for changes or new records. Selecting the correct trigger app is important because it defines where the workflow begins. After that, select the Airtable base and table you want to monitor. Think of this as telling the automation exactly where to look. If your base contains several tables, double check that you're choosing the correct one, especially if similar names are being used. This helps avoid sending the wrong data into Teams later on. Now choose Microsoft Teams as the action app. The action app is where the automation sends information once the trigger happens. In this case, Microsoft Teams will receive the update generated from Airtable. Then select the team and channel where the message should be sent. This determines who will see the notification, so it's worth pausing here to confirm you've picked the appropriate channel. For example, you may want updates to go to a project channel, an operations channel, or another team space, depending on the purpose of the workflow. Once that's done, insert the Airtable fields into the Teams message. This is where you map the information you want included, such as record details or status updates, so the message is useful and easy to understand. Try to keep the message clear and readable so your team can quickly scan it when it appears in the channel. Next, send a test message to confirm everything works. Testing is essential because it lets you verify that the correct Airtable data appears in the Teams message and that it's being delivered to the right place. Finally, turn on the workflow. Once activated, your automation will begin monitoring Airtable and sending messages to Microsoft Teams automatically. That's it. Your integration is now live and ready to keep your team updated.